Hey everyone, and welcome to. Today we're diving into the world of frugal living and how it can actually unlock a life filled with more freedom and balance. Who doesn't want that, right? But wait, before you think frugal living means deprivation and ramen noodles for every meal. It's actually about making smarter choices with your money so you can spend it on what truly matters. Cut to text, overlay frugal living, myth versus reality. Myth, frugal living means giving up everything you enjoy. Reality, it's about making conscious choices and prioritizing what brings you happiness. The benefits of frugal living. Scene show montage of people enjoying hobbies, spending time with family, traveling. Host, by embracing frugality, you can reduce financial stress. Imagine not worrying about every bill. Gain control. Frugal living empowers you to make conscious choices about your money. Pursue your passions. Free up funds to invest in experiences, hobbies, or travel. Live a simpler, more intentional life. Here are some practical tips to get you started without feeling deprived. First up, practice mindful spending. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Before every purchase. Next, embrace free entertainment. There are tons of free or low-cost ways to have fun. Explore parks, museums with free admission days, or host potlucks with friends. Another great tip is to cook more at home. Eating out adds up. Cooking healthy meals at home is a delicious and budget-friendly option. Lastly, find free or cheap workouts. There are free workout videos online, or you can enjoy activities like running, hiking, or bodyweight exercises. Remember, frugal living is a journey, not a destination. Start small, find what works for you, and celebrate your progress. Want to learn more about frugal living? Check out the link in the description below for the article that inspired this video. Also, let me know in the comments what your biggest challenge is when it comes to managing your money. I'd love to hear from you.